IEP, Innovation Empowerment Program, was founded in the year 2009 by a group of 4 students from the University of Nairobi who were inspired from a study they had carried out on entrepreneurship as part of class assignment and was duly registered as an NGO in the nation in the year 2010, operating in Kenya. Their mission was and still is to empower the low-income earners economically, especially the youths, women, and children, to ensure they contribute in a comprehensive and sustainable way towards achieving Millennium Development Goals and Vision 2030. They mooted the idea, starting small, armed with the remains of their higher education loans, and they came up with a flagship project called ONE HEN CAMPAIGN PROJECT, where they mobilized the youths, the women in the villages to form and register self-help groups. They then advanced to microloan to each member in form of 1 indigenous hen and a cage. After 6 months, 1 donated to Pullet once for onward lending and sustainability of the project. The hen and the cage creates a platform for them to train members on poultry management, agribusiness, financial management, entrepreneurship, adaptation to climate change, value chain, conflict resolution, and other cross-cutting issues. The impetus of the project was high unemployment levels, escalating levels of hunger, high dependence ratios in families, especially on father figures, and the employed, diminishing sizes of land as a factor of production, general lack of basic business skills, for instance, bookkeeping, and lastly, need to train young people to embrace agriculture as it's the backbone of their economy back in Kenya. As per the statistics from Ministry of Agriculture and other actors in the agriculture point towards an average age of a farmer in Kenya being 57 years. The 4 pioneers of IEP, ONE HEN CAMPAIGN PROJECT, James Makini being the CEO, a Bachelor of Commerce holder in insurance from the University of Nairobi, setting and overseeing the complete operation of the organization in accordance with the direction established in the strategic plans and vision, building culture, team building, and evaluating the success of the IEP organization. Also, Moseri Mark Samuel, the debut CEO of operations. He also a graduate of Bachelor of Commerce in Accounting from the same University of Nairobi. Being an operations manager, it involves overseeing and having responsibility for all the activities in the organization which contribute to the effective production of services, office administration, personnel recruitment, and also training and relations. Also, there is a lady by the name Niente. She is a programs manager. She is an insurance diploma holder from the College of Insurance. As a program officer, she oversees organizations' work to review proposals and manage current grants and individual projects. And finally, we got Dennis Niente, who is the finance manager, a holder of Bachelor of Commerce becomes in finance from the same University of Nairobi. He provides financial and budgetary service to each major administrative area of the organization. This has been a great innovation to the society. The young entrepreneurs say they have given out more than 10,000 hens and cages through the project and won a number of international awards. And now, they have introduced a new product for animal feeds, a factory which is located at Amabuko, a region near Keroka along Kisii-Keroka Road. To empower the low-income earners economically by providing cheap, accessible, and also convenient financial services, they have introduced Akai Sacco Society Limited as a product of ONE HEN CAMPAIGN Project, a project that was founded in the year 2009 by this very group. For more, for more to come. In our next edition, we will be talking about Sky Circle. Welcome and communicate to One Hen Campaign Project for Innovation. One Hen Campaign Project, IEP, located at Twin Plaza, first floor, Diplomat Street in Keroka. The number to call 254-726-63910. The number to call 254-726-63910. info@iepkenya.org. And now, a new product. In the next edition, we will be talking about a new product to empower the low-income earners. They have come with a product of Sky Circle. Stay tuned and don't go away.